Festivals are all about music, fun, and unforgettable memories. But as a festival coordinator, you know the potential health risks that can dampen the spirit. In 2021, over 100,000 lives were lost to drug overdoses in the United States. As an event coordinator, you hold the power to create a safer space for your attendees and prevent potential crises. Empower your event with an innovative solution. Imagine elevating your festival's safety measures and ensuring the well-being of your attendees like never before. OpiSafe's harm reduction vending machines are the game changer you need to combat substance abuse and potential emergencies at your event. Our machines bridge the gap in narcan access. They empower festival goers, friends, and family to act promptly in overdose situations. Free of charge and immediately accessible, they're a beacon of hope. These cutting-edge vending machines seamlessly fit into your festival setup. With rapid access to life-saving resources like Narcan kits and fentanyl test strips, you can provide your attendees with peace of mind and a worry-free experience. By combating opioid-related overdoses, they protect families, communities, and your event's reputation. Envision a festival where safety is paramount, emergencies are promptly addressed, and attendees feel cared for. Once you secure an OpiSafe harm reduction vending machine for your festival, we take care of everything, from shipping, placement, stocking medications, plus dedicated on-site maintenance and support during your festival. We handle all the details. No prescriptions, no complications, just dependable service. The opioid epidemic has touched every community. Opioid-related overdoses continue to claim lives and strain resources. But now, you can be part of the solution. Redefine music festival safety with OpiSafe harm reduction vending machines. By offering these resources, you demonstrate your unwavering commitment to your attendees' health and well-being, as well as solidifying the positive reputation of your event. In 2021 alone, over 100,000 lives were lost to drug-involved overdoses. Don't let your festival contribute to this statistic. Take action today with OpiSafe harm reduction vending machines. Make an impact by prioritizing safety. Secure an OpiSafe harm reduction vending machine today.